everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you back to our weekly tutorial. This month and September, we are all about Sale-a-bration. Okay, we're having our first ever summer event. It runs August and September. And for every $50 or $100 you spend out of catalog merchandise, you can pick out one $50 or $100 level out of our Sale-a-bration catalog. It's full of fun holiday papers. We have some stamp sets, dies, all kinds of great product in here that you can get for free. So this week we are going to focus, each week I'm trying to focus on a different product. We're going to use the beautifully penned designer series paper. Now I love this paper. And I love that it's black and white, first of all. Let me show you the paper. So you get 4 of each pattern. So we have, each pattern has a dark side and a light side. So this is one, it's got these little leaves. And then the back is just a white with black polka dot print. So we get 4 of those. Then we have 4 of these, this gorgeous stripe with this kind of this watercolor black background. And you can do your stripes going either way, whichever you like for your project. Then the back has this pretty floral pattern with polka dots. I love polka dots, by the way. And then we have this one, which is a pretty black background with the white leaves and flowers. And then the other side is this fun kind of scalloped image. So, and then this designer paper coordinates with the beautifully penned or hand-penned suite from the annual catalog. So I'm going to be pairing it with that, of course, this week. We have the hand-penned petals, which I have used many times already in classes. And then the hand-pen, or no, what is this called? Pen Flowers dies. I had to search for the name of the dies. It's the Hand Pen Petals bundle, but it's the Pen Flowers dies, which are super fun. Let me give you a little closer look at those. They have some outlines, some detail flowers, some smaller ones, leaves, and then a little fun scallop border, which kind of, it's not exactly like the border on the paper, but it's, you know, kind of mimics that. So I appreciate their thought put into designing that paper. Okay, let us get started. We're doing 3 videos. So I'm just going to do 1 card today, check back Saturday and Monday for our next 2 cards. And we're just going with a real simple but beautiful card. So I'm starting with a thick basic white card base, and this is 5.5 by 8.5. We'll just fold that in half. And then I'm going to use this pattern right here for the front. And I think I have cut that 5 by 3 3/4. And then I've cut a piece of black to layer it on, which is 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. Lately, I just really am loving the, I actually refilled my seal adhesive today, believe it or not. Anyway, I love the thin borders. There's just something I'm loving about these really thin borders. Because you don't have to. I like the thicker ones too, but I don't know, I just love that. Okay, then we're just going to pop this on our card front. This is what I love about our designer papers, is it's so easy to just decorate the front of your card with a piece of paper. All right, so that's that. And now I have 1 more piece of basic black. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do a little heat embossing on here. So I'm going to take my embossing buddy, kind of rub it over there. All right, and then a Versamark ink pad. Now I'm going to stamp, I'm going to use my congratulations stamp. It's one of the sentiments in this set. Make sure it's on straight. My Versamark, this one, I have several Versamark pads. This one's a little on the dingy side because it's been used a lot, but that's okay because we're going to use some white embossing powder. And all my other ones are in projects for this month. And we're going to stamp this one big floral image right there. Okay, now you can't see because Versamark is clear. It's just clear sticky ink. You might be able to see it a little bit on white cardstock if I were to do that because it's a little bit dingy, but that's okay. So we're going to just use some white embossing powder and let's heat that real quick. Grab my heat tool. Okay, so you know when you're when this is completely heated, when it's all shiny, you just want to heat it until it's shiny. You don't want to overheat it, which sometimes can be a problem, and then it becomes kind of flat and dull. So now I'm going to just flag the bottom of this, just a very subtle flag, trying to find the center. Just going to cut a little slit up the center and then go from each side up to that slit, hopefully. All right, pretty close. All right, let's, we're gonna do a little bit of Wink of Stella. I'm gonna color in all of my outlines with this Wink of Stella because it gives it such a pretty sparkly look. It almost looks like glitter paper on this black. And I'll kind of see if I can hold it up to the light and see if you can see how pretty this is. Okay, I think I've got it all. Can you see how glittery that is? I don't know if you can see that or not. Catherine, I see you're on there. If you can see the glitter, let me know. I can see it. All right, I don't know if you can. Trust me, if you can't, trust me, it looks beautiful. Okay, let's pop this up on our card front. Got a brand new sheet of dimensionals. So pretty. I love opening up a new packet of dimensionals. I don't know why. It's just kind of, it just looks so clean and fresh. Okay. I'm going to put this over on this side, and I think I want to butt it up with the black, or just kind of make it even with the top there. All right, then I have some of this gorgeous new ribbon. It's glittered organdy ribbon, but it's white. We have this in black as well, which I love, but this white one is in the new mini catalog. So I have tied a little bow, and I am going to put this on with a little bit with a glue dot. Black would not have shown up as well on the black, so I went with the white. Plus, it's super pretty. Feels a little bit thinner too than the other one for some reason. I'm just gonna pop that right up. So we've got a little more glitter on glitter, and the only thing we need left to do is just add a touch more glitter. Because, you know, it's kind of basic. These are all my, all my random rhinestones here. I'm going to take kind of a big one and put it in the middle of that flower right there. I think that's all I'm going to do, mostly because I just want that one little flower to pop out, and I do have glitter all over that. So I think I'm good. Your cards do not have to have 16 layers and 15 die cut pieces to be beautiful. You can have a very simple card and just make it beautiful by adding a little bit of bling, just a little embellishment, and maybe some heat embossing, or just adding a pop of color. That's what we're going to do next time. We're going to do black and white with a pop of color. So before I go for today, I wanted to let you know that not only do you get free items during Sale-a-bration for your purchases, but we also have an awesome starter kit deal. This is the best time, really, to purchase a starter kit, because our normal starter kit is $99, okay? It's $99 plus tax. So you get free shipping on our starter kit. Then you get to pick out $125 worth of product, your choice. If you already have all the ink pads and markers and all you want to buy is stamp sets, you can buy stamp sets. You can buy ink, you could buy blocks, you could buy tools, whatever you want to buy. You can buy $125 for just $99. So this is all year. So that's $26 free, okay? Plus free shipping. So now we have free shipping. We have $26 extra in product for free. You also get catalogs, order forms, mini catalogs, and the Sale-a-bration and the regular catalogs. So right now you're going to get 3 packs of catalogs. Now you may not need them, but they're free, so it doesn't matter. You also get a paper pumpkin kit, okay? And that is free in your starter kit. So that's about, what, $22, or how much is the paper pumpkin now? About 20, I'm gonna just say $20. I think it's maybe 22, but you're gonna get that for free. So you get a $20 value free there, all right? Now during Sale-a-bration, so for August and September, you also get to pick a free bundle. Now there's 12 different bundles in the mini catalog, right here in the mini catalog, that you can pick for free. So I have to mark this because I'll lose my catalogs. This is my upstairs copy. So you can pick out, and one of the free bundles I know is $54. Okay, it's the which one is it? I was just kind of looking. The Peaceful Cabin bundle is one of the free bundles you can purchase, or you get for free. I don't say purchase, free. It's $54. Okay, that's a savings off of $60 if you bought them separately, but you get a free bundle. I'm not sure if anything else is over $54, but I'm just going to put $54 up to. Okay. So now we've got a free bundle of $54, okay? So far, just buying the starter kit for $99, you get free shipping, which is normally 10%. So that would be $9.90. So we'll just round it out and say $10. So purchasing the starter kit, you get $10, you get $26 for free extra product, a free paper pumpkin kit, and a free bundle. All right, so let's do a little math. That is $110. $5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $110 of free. It's free product. That doesn't even include all the catalogs. 110 and other business supplies. So you get a whole free business pack, but you're going to get $110 in free product plus your $99, and it's only going to cost you $99. You get, it's like over 100% free stuff on top of your $99 plus tax starter kit. I mean, who doesn't want that deal? Really? If it was me, I would get that deal, okay? And then once you purchase a starter kit, you can keep saving, starting out at 20%. Whoops, that's $1. 20% off all your purchases after you purchase the starter kit. Now, there's no obligation. if you want to drop after the first quarter, you can drop. You don't have to keep going. Although I would, because you do get 20% instant savings all the time on your orders. Now you can get more, okay? You can earn more savings, but really starting out it's 20% and you get $110 worth of free product. You know, free product, I'll say free product and shipping, okay? 10 of that is shipping, but still $10 you don't have to pay, okay? So just wanted to share that with you. If you are interested in purchasing the starter kit and joining my team, even if it's just temporarily, we would love, I would love to have you on my team, or to purchase the starter kit from me. I'll put a link below in the description if you would like to find out more information. It's all on my Stampin' Up! Demonstrator page. And yeah, I think that's it for today. If you have questions, just post them here. Let me know. Check back Saturday. We're going to have another project using this beautiful, beautifully penned designer series paper from Sale-a-bration. All right. Thanks everybody for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Catherine said, oh, sorry. She says she doesn't see the glittery. I will post a picture on my blog and make sure that I get the glitter in there. Okay? All right. Thanks, everybody. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.